What happens if you hold in a sneeze? It might seem harmless, right? But forcing yourself to hold in a sneeze can actually be very dangerous. When you try to block a sneeze, by covering your nose and mouth at the same time, the pressure inside your skull and neck spikes. And do you know what can happen? You could burst blood vessels in your eyes, causing visible internal bleeding. You might rupture your eardrums, or even, believe it or not, tear your throat. Yes, this has actually happened. Medical reports describe people who held in a sneeze and ended up with serious injuries. Some even needed surgery. A sneeze is your body's way of forcefully expelling something irritating, and it can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. So next time you feel it coming, don't fight it. Just turn your head, cover with your arm, and let it out.